You didn't tell me nothing, Rihanna. What you tell me?
I told you 4 times to hear me, and you was in that room.
What room? Wait, Brianna. Wait, you told me that?
Yes, you was in this room.
No, I was not.
Yes, you was.
No.
You cut the light on or nothing you can't do.
I'm sorry. You accept my apology?
No sorry. Don't talk to me like that. Ain't no sorry.
Oh, dang.
Even though you can't do nothing what I say. If you hear me, if you talk to me, you don't listen. So I want to go in that room. I said you're not going nowhere.
No,
you was standing in the living room.
So you want me to go in the living room right now?
Yes.
I'm sorry. No.
That's not funny. I'm not playing.
I'm sorry. You gonna
Yes.
beat?
That's why you.
I don't listen?
Why are you talking to me like that then?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Stop screaming at me.
I'm not screaming at you.
You are. Ain't nothing talking to me. I'm screaming at you anyway.
Okay. Bye, Brianna.
Don't tell me goodbye. I'm standing here.
I love you, Rihanna.
I don't know you don't love me. You don't love nobody. You love your own self. Come on, love you. And sorry. You don't tell nobody you sorry. No.
You so fast, little ugly stuff.
No.
Bye. Get out.
No, you get out.